What's up, guys? I got a here $300 mystery box, knife mystery box from American Edge. This is a knife dealer. This is auto manual fixed blade or surprise me. I got fixed blade this time. I think I did. Maybe I did manual, but $300. So first of all, that's cool. Stickers. Right now we're still at $0. This side here easily can be sold for, but I don't know, it's not Microtech, but I know the Microtech, I sold a couple of them for $18 free shipping on eBay. So that's cool. That's at least $18. Candy, those are gonna be consumed. Okay, Woburn. I really like Woburn flashlights. And as we go right away, what we're going to do is find it, link on Amazon, and buy. Instead of searching the name of the flashlight, I can go to Amazon and just scan the barcode. Let's see, which barcode? Nope, I don't even know. Sometimes if there's barcodes are weird, all I have to do is just take a picture. It's a Woburn C3 model, and check this out, Woburn C3 model. 1,000 sold. This is usually $37 right now on Amazon. They are on sale for $25.50. So far with $25.50, you know what, I'm gonna put it in calculator. $25. Okay, what else can we get right here? Whoopsie. Two knives t-shirt. Oh wow, extra large. That's nice. That's sellable. I don't know, like 10 bucks right there. What are we? Oh, plus 10 plus 18 plus 10. Well, I could resell it for 18. I think we can buy them for about, I don't know, like 8 bucks. So plus 8. So far we're at $43. I paid $300. Ooh, Microtech. Which Microtech is that? Amphibian. Wow, Hemlock. I don't think I ever bought amphibian knife. Wow, that is awesome. Knife industry is slowing down quite a bit. Hemlock is also very cool, so it's not assisted or anything. I never seen one in real life. I saw it on the pictures. Wow, that's smooth. Can open it slowly. Look at that. It's just such a big knife. I have to flick it really good. Like a miniature sword. It looks so cool. I love the thumb stud. And yeah, arm lock on both sides right here. Very smooth. Love it. Okay, there's a locking mechanism. There's a number, serial number on all of them. Let's see if you guys can see that. This says right here, Amphibian 1223 USA. Beautiful. I'm so surprised. I do not know how much they go for on their website. Knife dealerships probably be the cheapest. Let's go on eBay real quick. I'm thinking that knife by itself like 300 to 250. Of course it's not gonna show up for me. So I looked it up online and sold comes right away. This is much better handles, so that's not what we have. $720. Those are much better material. But looks like this one $320 sells all the time. $300. This one is sorted, but we could get it for 200. 350. I'd be careful buying it on eBay because there's a lot of fakes. So we gotta make sure we buy the real deal one from big sellers. Okay, let's look up at the knife center. $300. So wow, what a great deal. There's a black one. That's what we have. Is it cheaper? $37, but that one's rated. Okay, elk knives. Super quickly double check. 300, 345. Wow, we got a good deal right here. No, this one is our own ones. They don't have amphibian right here. 340, but that's a little bit different. So 300 all day on all of these websites. That is amazing. Okay, this is I think exact same one. GP knives, I bought it from them. They are out of stock, of course they are. Okay, Blade HQ would I buy from them 300. Wow, so that knife $300 by itself. We buy it $300, pay for itself. So we get a $25 flashlight for free. That's good. Then another like $10 right here, so $35. What else can we get? This is right here probably only $10 to $20 pen. I got it in a $150 mystery box as well. So it's like spins a little bit, unspin it, and then I can open it. So it's like a survival pen. Very cool. Okay. And what is this? Two knives multi-tool pry bar. That is awesome. $50. That is so cool. And see, blade is all day $50. But some of them are $30. So it depends what color we have. So I think we have the titanium one. Okay, $35 would be carbon black or carbon steel. So this one is most likely titanium, right? Wow, titanium. So the titanium is $50, which is materials are very important right here. Wow, I'm amazed. So I got it here, $300 knife, Microtech, amazing, top of a line, the best knives out there, made in America. Then we have it here, 50, 80. So almost like $100 pretty much on top of it easily. So we got $400 worth of stuff for $300. I'm really happy with that. Oh look, I even forgot about t-shirt, and that t-shirt is really high quality. I love this neck, wide sleeve, beautiful. That'd be pretty easy to sell on eBay too. If I don't want something, I probably would sell these three things and keep the knife because I really like it. Or maybe I don't like all of these things. I can sell all these things for profit, a little bit of profit. Not much, but it's a lot of fun being surprised. I really like the pile of like stuff for a really good deal.